How's it going, ladies and gentlemen? So today we are going to solve another coolest problem, Leetcode problem number 2255. Count prefixes of a given string. Okay, so let's just understand what the problem statement is saying first of all. So let's just look at what the flow will be. So first of all, we're going to understand the problem statement, then we're going to talk about its approach, and then finally we're going to code it up. So the code both in Java and C++ is available in the description section. You just check out the link from over there. Okay, so let's just start the video. Here we go, ladies and gentlemen. So first of all, let's understand what the problem statement is. So this is our first job. Okay, so they are saying like we have given a string array and we have to get the prefix of a string. Like prefix of a string is a substring that occurs beginning of the string. So what it means, like a substring is a contiguous sequence of characters within a string. Let's just understand what they are saying. For example, like we have given a string s and a word, array of a string's words. Okay, so over here the string is abc. I think this is not in form of array. My mistake. This is not in the form of array. Okay, this is a simple string. Okay, so how it will be a contiguous. So just understand the point they are saying, like we have to get the contiguous. Okay, so what it means, like we, for example, this is a, so this is 1. Yeah, we have b. No, we don't have b, but we get 1. So we get a 1 contiguous over here. Now come to b. So b is not in the starting. B is not coming in the starting because a is in the starting. So this will not gonna count. Similarly, c will not gonna count. Let's talk about AB. Yes, AB will count because A and B, they both are contiguous. Okay, BC, no, they are not contiguous because A is missing over here. If A is over here, then we're gonna increment the count, and then we have ABC. So the A is in the starting and the B is after that and C is after that. Okay, so we get total of A, 1, 2 and 3. So we get total of 3 from over here, and this our output is. So I hope so this thing is clear, like what the problem statement is, and like how, like what they are saying to do us. It's a very easy level problem. Okay, so now understand how we're gonna approach this code. Okay, so let me just rewrite the same input over here. So let's say they have given A, B, C, A, B, B, C and ABC. Okay, and we have our string of A, B, C, something like this. All right. Okay, guys. So what I will gonna do? I will just gonna have one count. I'm gonna have one count, which is initially 0, and I will gonna use one Java built-in method which is starts with. Okay. So I will check if my string s starts with my words array current value. Okay. So it is A. If that's the case, then I will gonna increment my count by 1. So my count will increment to 1 over here. Okay, this is done. Now over here, is it starting with? No, it's not starting with. Is this starting with? No, it's not starting with. Is this starting with this one with my current string? Yes, it is starting with. Okay, so we're gonna increment our count by 2. Okay, so that's how. Is it starting with? No, it's not. Is it starting with? Yes, it is starting with A, and then we have B, and then C. So I'm gonna increment my count to 3. So that's how, ladies and gentlemen, we have to solve this problem. I hope so this thing is clear. The code is very super simple. This code is super simple, trust me. So like we just took out approach and finally wanna code it up. Okay, so let me just write code over here. So first of all, for example, we are getting public function public int count prefixes, something like this, and they have given a string of words array and string s. Okay, and in this one what we have to do, we're gonna first of all get our count. So initially our count is 0. Now what I will do, I will create use a for each loop for string. Let's call it I is to words. So as is the words array. Okay, now in this one I will check if my s dot starts with I. Okay, with the like for example, we get the first current value. If it's starting with that I, then what I will gonna do, I will increment my count plus plus, and finally I will return my count. So that's all the code is, ladies and gentlemen. I hope so this thing is clear absolutely what we are doing over here. Okay, so the time complexity in this one we are dealing with is of, and like for the worst case, like we're gonna traverse the and characters in the array, and the space complexity is of 1 as we are not using any extra space over here. I hope so, ladies and gentlemen, this thing is absolutely clear. So I'm again saying Java and C++ code, both is available in description section. You just check out the link from over there. I hope so, ladies and gentlemen, this thing is absolutely clear. So thank you very much for watching this video.